Gold budget consignment sale gold 1% gold drop from monsters, also known as gold bars. Consignment sale gold bars. Now, why do we need them? Why are they there? And what are they for? With power level required 1.5 mil. You can put this on a 340,000 power character. However, I don't believe the gold drop from monsters activates because you are not 1.5 million power. So, why is it there? Let's see. It is there so you do not have gold in your inventory and you do not spend the money you are trying to save. It is almost like a bank account. If you don't have access to the money, hopefully you don't spend the money. So that for all you that don't know, okay, max gold trade is 500 million gold. Which means, if you look at my gold, I have 1 billion gold. If I'm going to buy an item or a mole for 1 billion gold, I can only trade 500 million at a time. This is the worst thing ever. Scammers have been profiting from this since it came out. What you do, charge someone 550 or 600, something above 500 mil. They'll give you the first lower quantity first, and then they'll give you the higher quantity second, and then that's usually when the scam happens. It's so bad because you have to do 2 trades for 1 item. They trade you once, they give you you get the item, and then they don't give you the second trade. That's what I'm trying to say. This is why I do not trade people in game. I can find the stuff myself, no problem. This is what we're going to do today. So the gold budget is there to be like a bank account, and it's also there to do trades higher than 500 million. So if it's to do trades higher than 500 million, first we need to know how many gold consignment bars we can buy with 500 million. So I've already bought 1. I still have 1 billion gold. I will sell it, see what happens. 36,900,000, meaning I'm losing 100,000 per gold budget consignment sale bar. I will not be selling that, of course, because I do not need to lose 100,000. Now, you ask me, if I'm losing 100,000, why am I going to buy it? If you have a problem with gold burning a hole in your pocket, turn it into gold budget bars. That way you don't have that problem. If you have a problem trusting people with trades higher than 500 million, then buy gold budget bars. So again, we're going to find out how much 500 million gold budget bars is. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 13 empty slots. So here we go. We are just going to buy them. This is what happens when you buy gold budget consignment sale gold. 1% gold find, gold drop from monsters. I'll probably put all these on Kid Rawsha. I actually forgot they do 1% gold drop from monsters, and because she's got the gold find gear, I would be glad to load her up. Alright, so you see how they're all filling your inventory, and they just don't stop filling your inventory. It's kind of funny. Kind of funny and kind of annoying. Alright, look at there. We have 519 million gold left. I honestly did not do that on purpose. I was trying to, but it's convenient that it ended exactly there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Scroll down. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 gold bars. Almost equal 519 million. So here's what we do next. Because nobody wants that to take up that much space in their inventory. I know I don't. We are going to go home. And once we are home, we pass Perungas. Paragas. And you find an empty slot in your inventory. And then you go bye-bye. And then you go more bye-bye. And watch it stack up. I'm going to keep doing this until it's empty. Okay, so I have 13 gold budgets in the stash. I will take them, move them to equipment. Now I have 14 in stash. I should have took one out so I could see how much it cost. So I traded the 14th, that extra gold budget to my other character, just so I can be balanced at 1 billion gold. Okay, so 13, 479 million. I'm missing 21, so I need one more budget. So as you see, 482. That's 18 million from 500. Sad to say, every time you buy a gold budget, you must put it in your stash. Other words, you cannot add it to the other bars, which is really dumb, to be honest with you. So after you have 500 million in gold bars, when you go to sell 516 million, you are losing 21. Let's see here. I'm just going to do it. It's not that much gold. So as you sell 14 gold budgets, you receive 516,600,000. So look at my gold here. We have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we are only losing 2.4 million. 2.4 million for every 500. So 2.4 times 2. My cat in the background is just being a nut job. If you guys ever had kittens are just nuts. 2.4 times 2, 4.8. 4.8 million gold you're losing when you buy 1 billion gold bars. 1 billion gold worth of gold bars. If you have any trouble following that math, good luck. Start saving up your gold. and your gold bars. So I will do this. So I put the other 2.4 million back on his account, and that gives me just enough for one more bar. With the remaining of 2 million, meaning 998 million buys all of this. Now, because 1 billion is kind of an off number, I don't know how, you can only buy 27 gold bars and not 28. Lucky for me, I farm a lot of capsules. I farm so many capsules that it literally will not let me sell anymore. So here's what we're going to do today. To add to the video, I have 2 million gold on me. Let's empty out the VIP shop. 28 million capsules. $10.99 fan capsules sold at 28 million gets me 268 million in gold. Starting with 27. 7 gold budget bars just from the VIP alone. Now, however, that's not a whole lot, but together, 34, that's another story. So as you go to sell them all, 1.25, 4.6 billion, you're losing about 10, I'd say 8 to 10 million, somewhere in there. I think it's like 8.4, 5.5. I'm not really sure, to be honest with you. Needless to say, this is so much better and so much easier access to trusting people with gold bars in the trade window instead of 100 mil here, 500 mil there, when the trade is 600. Just don't do that to yourself, okay? Use gold bars, gold budget, and it will help you so much more. So, I tried many different ways to combine the gold bars. I tried trading it to a different character and then trading it to another character. Trading does not work. The only way you can stack them is with your stash. Very, very uncool. So it's not much, just a bunch of noob slots. But this is my gold character. %60 gold fine. Gotta have Kai damage. Convert to Kai 5% least for any character or kid. $165 plus 35. That's 200% gold find. Now during two times experience, that's 400% gold find. Yeah. 200% gold find. Weak. This character only gets summoned. It's kind of dumb. Ouch. Weak. 200% gold fine. Well, that's pretty much it. Very sorry that this video is super long. I tried to cut out all the parts that we didn't need, but sadly, you needed most of those parts. So this is a video on what the gold consignment bars are for, where to use them, how to use them. There is a negative part. If you get 2 billion is max gold you can carry on one account. If you have gold bars that equal more than 2 billion and you sell them, you will gain 2 billion and you will lose the rest. Do not sell more than 2 billion gold worth of gold bars. And on that note, if you ever have any questions, just let me know. And if you don't, well, good luck.